See, look at that bird. There, the big bird. There.
This one's a big.
Wow, this one is beautiful.
This one's beautiful.
Don't go near to that. Jumping, Armaan.
So deep.
Okay, feed the bird.
There's so many feet of books. How about these? Kaka, how about these? These are them.
Yeah.
Armaan, come here. Oh, it's very big. Very big.
It's very big peacock.
Okay, let's go and a farm animals. Let's go and the cow.
Cow? Where is cow?
There, the cow is.
Where?
Let's go there.
There's no cow there. Armaan, see? It's very beautiful. Where? Armaan, here, come here. Look at this flamingo. Marabou stork. Please do not provoke the marabou stork. Armaan, this one is very big. This one is very big, Armaan.
This one's very big now.
It's very big, right?
Very big bird.
See? Marabou stork.
Booster.
Yeah. Yeah, see, look at that marabou stork. Look at its neck, Armaan. Look at its neck. How very big, right?
Oh, very big, right?
See, it is eating. It's hungry, yeah? Marabou stork. You hungry?
That's really farm animals. It's a farm animal.
Yeah.
It's a farm animal.
It's a farm animals. Marabou stork.
Marabou stork.
See. It's marabou stork. Yeah. It's marabou stork. It's marabou stork. Oh, this one is very beautiful. Marabou stork. This one is flamingo. It's a flamingo. This one is a marabou stork. Oh, running. Armaan, no. Don't go there. This one is a marabou stork. Okay, dogs. Let's go to the dogs. So many dogs. Let's go. Look at the fish. So many fishes. Here.
Suma, suke, sini, suke. One more flower, ma. Let's go this way.
Careful, Armaan, careful. Enough.
Armaan, Marabou star. It's a Marabou star. Okay, enough, finished. Give that to mommy. Put that in dustbin. Enough, finished. Armaan, it's raining.
Come here, Rainy.
It's raining. Marabou star. Put that in dustbin. This one is a small rabbit.
Excuse me.
Armaan, come here, Rainy. Finish, Armaan.
Come here.
You give first, faster. 好，这边有了。
可以。
会在。
随便你过啊，还是我付？
Armaan, Rainy, Armaan.
Good. Wow, very nice. Armaan, look at this bird.
Okay, let's go and take dogs.
Ducks?
Let's go and take dogs.
Dogs.
Yes.
There's no entry, dogs. The door is closed.
Let's go in the room.
Armaan, chicken. See? Wow, chicken. Very nice. No, very nice chicken. Very nice. Armaan, no. Chicken. That's a chicken. Right?
Wait.
Armaan. Chicken. It's very nice.
Armaan, white color rooster here.
White color. Where is white color rooster? Where is it?
But
Where is it? White color rooster. Where is it? Wow. It's on the top. On the top. Yes, sitting there. Rooster. You want to see dogs? Huh? See there. So many dogs. So many dogs, Armaan.
Over there.
What? What?
It's like the dog.
What?
Dogs.
What?
It's one dog.
Armaan, you tired?
Yes.
You tired today? Are you tired?
It's the dogs.
Are you tired?
3 dogs are there.
How many dogs are there?
3.
3?
Yes.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Right?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Armaan, you like dogs?
Yes. Delicious. It's delicious. So delicious.
Yeah.
So tasty.
Very tasty.
Yes.
Are you tired today?
Yes.
You like horse?
Yes.
Okay, say bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
No.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's go to my room.
Come here too.